Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern Lake County in northeast Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Forest Lake, or near Lake Zurich, and moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Long Grove and Vernon Hills around 1:20 p.m., Palatine around 1:25 p.m., Buffalo Grove around 1:30 p.m., Lincolnshire around 1:35 p.m., Arlington Heights and Lake Forest around 1:40 p.m., Wheeling, Riverwoods and Bannockburn around 1:45 p.m., Prospect Heights around 1:50 p.m., Deerfield, Highland Park and Mount Prospect around 1:55 p.m. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Lake Forest College, Oakton Community College, Ravinia Music Festival. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure and stay away from windows until this storm has passed.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport.